Hey Aries, Trishna here. Today we're going to be doing your November 2018 forecast, and what I feel for you is that right now I think things are going pretty well. You're feeling happy, you're in a good mood, you're keeping the excitement moving forward, you're keeping yourself upbeat. Things are going pretty well, and I think that for the first half of November there isn't really a lot that's going to be going on. I think you guys will just be in this positive mood and it'll be a pretty easy few weeks. I feel like the last half of November things will start to pick up a little bit more, and there'll be more activities that you'll be going to, more events, that kind of thing, just more happening in your life. And I feel like overall it's a really good month, and the only advice that I really get for you is that when things start to pick up, what happens during that second half of the month, your interactions with other people, the kinds of conversations that you have, the kinds of drama that you have. Drama is the wrong word because I feel like it's all going to be positive. All of that, like I was saying, it's going to be positive. It's really just going to be about how you decide to look at the situation. You can look at drama as something that is negative, causes you problems, is annoying, doesn't need to be there, pointless, or you can just have fun with it and just take it as playful banter and enjoy the dramatic conversation for what it is and just enjoy it at face value and not really dig too deep into it. You know, don't make it something serious. So the second half of the month can be really good for you as well. It's just the only advice is that make sure that as you interact with people and as you go to events and have experiences during the second half, that you keep up that positive, excited momentum that you have right now, that drive, and just carry it through towards the end of the month, and don't let anything really inhibit your energy, your flow, and your progress, because it's all in good fun and the potentials are all there for you to really enjoy yourself. You just have to decide that you want to. And that's the guidance that I get for you guys. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you're an empath, check the description box, and I have a free course for you to help you guys manage your energy and manage the energy of other people. And that concludes this video, so I will see you in my next one.